In this lesson, we are going to learn how environmental change can cause extinction. Extinctions happen not only because of the changes in living organisms. The biggest influences on survival are the changes in the environment. Throughout history, the climate and the environment of the earth has been changing. At times, the earth has been very hot. At other times, temperatures have fallen and the earth has been in the grip of an ice age. These changes take place over millions and even billions of years. And organisms that do well in the temperature of a tropical climate will not do well in the freezing conditions of an ice age. This is why many of them would become extinct through the lack of food or being too cold to breed. However, some species that may cope well in the cold climates would evolve by natural selection. So, we can conclude that changes to the climate or the environment have been the main cause of extinction throughout history.